Buongiorno, Thunder here again, out on the road for Starfish Animal Rescue. This right here is our rescue wagon. I went down there a couple weeks ago. It was really windy. This thing was getting blown around a little bit, but good stable craft nonetheless. Starfish Animal Rescue sends me out to a place in Hazard, Kentucky, and they are an animal rescue as well, and they gather dogs from a lot of local counties down there, and I bring them back to this area so they can find forever homes. So if you're looking for a good cause to help and support, we recommend these guys, Starfish Animal Rescue.